Yeah, Ace Hardware. Ace Hardware. Hot, hot. Dang. Wow. That thing's been sitting in the sun too long. Ugh. Let's move it all the way forward so we can test out the clearance on everything else. Oh, look at the size of that clutch. The big monster right there. Well, looks like I'm gonna have to go up on these bolts through the engine mount there on the front. And the only one that I can conveniently go down with is the one in back. But the engine's pretty much pulled all the way forward, and now we gotta line the sprocket up. This is one method I normally use to line my sprockets up. Just take a nice straight bar, clamp it right onto the sprocket. See how I'm not lined up right here? So now I gotta move the sprocket over. Where's my... Alrighty. You know, as long as I don't mess with the engine too much, tighten it down. Yeah. Alright, well, I've got the engine mounted and tightened on, but it is all the way forward, so that way I'll be able to pull the engine back and tighten the chain. Now, if you look what my problem is here. Putting in a regular link, that would mean that if I were to cut this chain where it's at, that would mean for this hole, the next place I would have to go, and no, it won't go in there because the engine's all the way forward. If I were to try hooking this into this pin, hooking these two sections together, that's going to be too dang tight of a chain, and I won't be able to get it on. Now, the next thing I could do is come back to the very next hole. Now, obviously, it's not going to work in there because we have a thin section and a thin section right here. So going here to here is not going to work. And going way out here, which is the next logical place to go, that means that this chain is going to be really loose. And if I move the engine all the way back, most likely it's not going to take out all that looseness. So, since obviously a full link is not going to work, we're going to have to put in this. This is a half link. That's what that is. So we're going to have to put this in somewhere around in here. Well, see, we got it in there. Half link. Okay, voila. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna have to put it on in the middle. I mean, I can't really move the engine forward any more than where it's at right now. So I hear the birds chirping out over there. Cat, they probably see the cats. See, it's kind of funny because when the cats are just out walking around, birds ain't no big deal. It's when the cats are prowling. That's when the birds are like, "Oh, we see you." Damn, these stupid pliers don't have any grip in them. There. All right. Now let's loosen up the engine and pull this back a little bit. Well, guys, all right. Now I got some gas in it. I've got this tester line hooked up to it, but I don't know how well this is going to work. We'll find out. It worked okay on all my other test stuff, but this throw is a little different. So, all right, we got fuel in it, we got gas in it. Turn it on. Put the choke on. Working. I think if it was on the ground, hurry, get over here. Put your foot on the brake. All right, now we're going to test this out. All right, take your foot off. Alright, well, you guys, yeah, that clutch is a little warm. Oh, look, Allie's mowing the lawn. Yeah, there we go. Well, now the next thing to work on is putting up a viable cable, moving the pedals, and yeah, so that's the next thing to do. Well, you guys, I still haven't been able to figure out why the wheels work the way they're doing. You know, why the frame tilts when you turn left or you turn right, whichever way it is. But I don't know. I'm gonna have to tear that apart a little, look at that a little bit more, because I don't understand that. It's not the camber and it's not the caster. Well, no, it's the one side has too much caster, and it's causing one tire to lift up the whole body when you turn that direction, but when you turn the other way, it's not as bad. So there's got to be something wrong with the caster somewhere, or maybe it's one of the axles on the tires or something. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, so you guys see, it works. It works now. I'm not going to work on this anymore because we're about to have a massive storm come through. We got a storm advisory coming. So I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers and all my new viewers. Hello, everybody. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Right, Cody?
Yeah.